is linked to E. Kurosawa, who observed abnormal tallness in rice seedlings struck by Bakane or foolish seedling disease. This disease is caused by the fungus Gibberella fujikuroi. Later, Yabuta and Sumiki isolated the substance secreted by the fungus and called it gibberellin. The discovery of cytokinin is linked to F. Scooge and his co-workers, who noticed that cells extracted from the internodal segment of the tobacco stem proliferated to callus. When the nutrient medium is supplemented with extracts of vascular tissues, yeast, and coconut milk, in addition to auxin. Later, it was Skoog and Miller who isolated and crystallized the substance that promoted cytokinesis in plant cells. It was then named kinetin. The discovery of abscisic acid dates back to the 1960s, when 3 independent researchers purified 3 different inhibitors of plant growth, namely inhibitor B, abscission 2, and dormin. Later, it was found that all 3 inhibitors were chemically identical and were called abscisic acid. The discovery of ethylene is credited to a scientist named Cousins, who observed the release of a volatile substance from ripened oranges. He also found that the volatile substance promoted ripening of other unripened oranges. Later, this volatile substance was identified as ethylene. Plant growth regulators, or PGRs, include auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Auxin is the generic name for all natural and synthetic compounds with definite growth-regulating features. Naturally occurring auxins include indole acetic acid, or IAA, and indole butyric acid, or IBA, produced at the apex of plant stems and roots. Synthetic auxins include naphthalene acetic acid, or NAA, and 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic, or 2,4-D. Auxins are used in plant propagation as they cause rooting in stem cuttings. They also induce flowering, as in pineapples, prevent falling of young leaves and fruit, and promote abscission of mature leaves and fruit. Auxins are used in parthenocarpy, that is, the formation of seedless fruit, such as seedless tomatoes, from unfertilized flowers. They exhibit apical dominance in higher plants. That is, they inhibit the growth of lateral buds. This is why the shoot tips of tea plants are cut or decapitated to initiate the growth of lateral buds. Synthetic auxin 2,4-D is used as a herbicide. It uses the physical difference between the leaves of monocots and dicots to selectively kill dicots. Hence, it is widely used in agriculture and horticulture. Gibberellins, or gibberellic acids, or GA, are extracted from fungi and higher plants. They are referred to as GA1, GA2, GA3, etc., in the order of discovery, and they are acidic in nature. GA3 was the first of all the gibberellins to be structurally discovered. Gibberellins have varied physiological effects on plants, such as an increase in the length of the plant body axis. This is why they are used in the lengthening of grape stalks and sugarcane stems to increase the yield. Gibberellins also improve the fruit's shape by causing elongation as in apples. They delay senescence or aging of fruit, and are hence used commercially to extend the market period by retaining fruit on trees longer. However, they also hasten the maturity of seeds, and hence are used to obtain early seed production from juvenile conifers.
ये अच्छा लगा पूरा वीडियो? हाँ, कोशिश करूंगी इसका लिंक अगर मुझे मिलता है, पता नहीं मैंने बहुत पहले कहीं से मुझे मिला था ये। सो कंटिन्यू करेंगे बच्चे कल, ओके? और वर्कशीट कर लेना, कोई डाउट है तो मुझे बताना, ठीक है? फाइन, बाय।
Okay, थैंक यू मैम, बाय।